Captain's log. Carnival, Curaçao.
How sad. Somebody's boat is up in flames. Broken vent cover. This is a vent that clears out fumes from the engine room. Thanks to Andy Rogers on the Leopard owners group. He said those are available all day long from Perco, and he's right. I've got one. Gonna put that on. Yeah, very easy to get that part, and it fits several places on my Leopard, so I just might replace a couple more now that I know I got the right thing. So the base plate on the Perco comes with a flange, you know, designed to go inside and be held in place. And what Leopard has done is they have removed that flange so that the plate mounts flush against the fiberglass. And yeah, that's okay. I'm just going to use the old one. First thing I've done is I have readjusted the dock line so that I can pull the boat away from the rear of the slip here so I can drop the dinghy. So yeah, a little adjustment. Fired up the engines because the wind keeps pushing me into the dock, into the slip. And now I'm going to lower the dinghy.
So for safety reasons, security reasons, we chain the dinghy to the vessel as well. And so Stace just undoing that. He's going to store it in the dinghy while he's loosening things.
What we're actually doing is I need the dinghy down so we can replace some davit lines. So I'm going to get a little needle and thread here. I'm going to sew the old line to the new line, tape it up so it's firm, and then pull it through the pulleys, and then we'll be good. So what's important is that I have enough line to go all through the pulley system and then make it to our winches, because when you're all by yourself, it is too heavy. It's funny because I've had people crew for me thinking, oh no, I got it. And then they can't. And they don't have it. And they're like, okay, yeah, let's use the winch. There's that narrow inlet that Nigel and I sailed through, or motored actually.
Thank you.
I would like the beef satay. Yes, please.
What do you say?
I will have the chicken quesadilla, no sour cream.
No sour,
Also,
no problem.
fruit salad.
Oh, good. I'm going to ask about that.
So we've driven over to Santa Barbara Beach Resort, and we're going to have lunch after a busy morning at the, yeah.
I was not.
We're at the beach bar and grill right in front of the pool. And yeah, it's overlooking that little inlet that Nigel and I motored through on the way in here. So
Look at Steve's drinks. They're very colorful. Did you get those?
we've got a blue lagoon and a apple juice or something. And you have
I have gin and tonic, Bombay Sapphire. That's the kind of boat my dad would like. My dad always liked Sea Rays. That's the brand he always bought and enjoyed the most. He told me that when you purchased a boat in a particular marina, you should look to see what the most popular boat in that marina was.
yeah, local knowledge.
Because when you come to a point in your life when you want to sell the boat,
Sell that particular boat if everybody has that same kind of boat. If you have something that nobody knows what it is, it's more difficult to sell the boat.
So when we got here, there was nobody here.
Nobody. There was one guy at the bar.
We got it started.
Once again,
Place is packed. We tend to do that. I think it's because we're in love.
we just have just a nice vibration, and people just sense that it's a nice place to be where we are, and they think, oh, that looks like a nice place. They're having fun, so let's go there too.
Is that the same plant?
Let's make sure.
It looks different to me, Deb.
Yeah. The leaves are flat, but
Maybe it's just recently been pruned.
I can't tell because the flowers aren't there.
I think it's different.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
The leaves sure look the same.
So at the Santa Barbara Resort, there is this palm tree. I don't recall seeing it anywhere. Would love to know what that is. Please leave us a comment. What is it? Right inside the Sponce waters. Yeah, that's the Curaçao Yacht Club over there. How sad. Somebody's boat is up in flames. Whatever's going down over there, I hope everyone's all right. And there's boats around it that are probably going to get damage. Sad when I see that.
Captain's Log, Carnival, Curaçao. Today is Carnival, and we do want to hit that before we have to get to the airport in the afternoon. So we're putting her to bed early. We're going to get our fannies over to Carnival and have a great time there.
get to the airport, so it's pretty happening though. And yeah, I wish we could stay for all of Carnival, but yeah, we gotta get home.